Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my blog. I hope you're all doing good and fine. So we had a really good sunny day. So I started my vlog in the afternoon and you can see it was really nice, good weather. And I think throughout the week it's going to be like this. So we thought we'll enjoy our lunch outside just for a change. So yeah. And after that we headed to IKEA because we wanted to check something. It's long time that we've been looking for that and it showed that it is available. So we all finished our lunch and then we went to IKEA. So this is the drive on the way to IKEA. It looks so beautiful with all the colorful trees and some trees are blooming now, so it looks really beautiful. And when we reached IKEA, we found a friend there. So kids were really excited to see this goose duck. I don't know what we call it. And yes, here we are at IKEA. So IKEA is a very good place if you're having a house and if you want some storage and some stuffs like that for your house. So it's a really nice place to check out that. So there are some things that we cannot check out online. We have to come and see in person and see how it looks from the other side of the computer too. So now it's what we started coming out a little bit to shops, wearing mask and everything, because it's 1 year that we bought our house and we have to look out things. So yeah, we are here at IKEA. I think IKEA is one place that you have lot of options, so many things, so many designs. Every month it changes. It has for your bedroom, living room, kitchen accessories, like that, so many n number of things, even children's room. There's so many options there to check out. So we at least make sure that we come down once in 2 months to check out something if we like. Yeah, even they have the plant section. That is something we always check out. This is all the living room area. We didn't want anything for the living room, but we were just checking out. These are the beautiful kitchen models. It's very nice to see every time. All the kitchen, this is how the kitchen setups are. We did not customize our kitchen from IKEA, but there are people who do customize from IKEA. These are the lights, different types of light and office desk. This is the gas and everything. Different types of gas models. This is also sink and kitchen sink and pipes and everything. Or the office desk. Different types. Different bedrooms. These are for the bedrooms, different kind of beds with your different needs, heights and everything. So this is towards the children's section. They have different bunk beds, low-lying beds, different categories according to your needs. This is all the children's section. We have some toy organizers from IKEA that we use in the toy rooms. All the baby care needs like high chairs and bathtubs and everything. The paint requirements, stuffed toys. And these are the dinnerwares and plates and everything, glasses. I always like to check out the glasses section. This is all the bed covers and blanket covers, pillow covers. And right now, currently with the COVID situation, the problem at IKEA is whatever we are checking out inside the store, when we go to the pickup section, sometimes it is out of stock. So that's where the problem is coming right now. These are the plant sections. We did check out some plants too. Because now we have a home, so it's always exciting to check out anything new stuff or new kind of plants that's coming in. But right now it just goes very quickly, so it's not staying so much. Like if we see something is there in somebody's cart, by the time we go inside the store, it's all over. That's what the problem we are facing right now. So luckily what we checked out, we got it, and we have built it out. So here kids were hungry, because after you go inside the IKEA you really feel hungry, so we just grabbed some pizza, sliced pizza on the go to take away. So we were waiting for that in the food area. We didn't prefer to sit and eat. He's actually excited now when we are coming outside. So here I'm just sharing a recipe video. It's basically about chicken drumsticks. So this I have marinated with chili powder, coriander, turmeric, kasuri methi, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and little bit of oil and salt to taste. So, and the garam masala. So everything mixed up, marinated for around 1 to 2 hours. This was our dinner for night. We just wanted something on the go types, very simple dinner. So this I made it in the air fryer, and it turned out really yummy. So this is not with the yogurt marination, I just use corn flour to marinate it. You can see I'm putting it into the air fryer after my marination is done. An air fryer is something you don't need oil at all, just the oil that I took for marination, that's the only oil the chicken is having, and it's all done, ready to eat. And when you serve, you can add, and this you can sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala and lemon juice while you serve, and it's really yummy and delicious. I actually put an air fryer in the air fryer mode for 350 degrees, and yeah, it turned out really good. Air fry is something I just started using recently. It's really delicious. And kids did have some ice creams back home. It's a long time now, the sun is up, so during summer days we all usually have ice cream in stock in the fridge. So it's something we bought for them. They were enjoying that. Now we get to spend a little bit time in the backyard because it's sunny. Especially he loves to spend a lot of time in the backyard. That's all for today from me. I hope you all enjoyed watching this small vlog, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel and be part of our beautiful family. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Till then, take care, be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.